Just arrived. Kemper Fume extraction systems. Kemper Profimaster. 4-metre arms. 360-degree swivel. Voltage 220, 240 single phase. These will be cleaned, serviced, then resold again with warranty. Filters will be changed where necessary. New filters can be supplied. I think there's 11 units here, more to follow. Like prices and more details, please look on Westermans.com. We also have a selection of new fume extraction systems as well, mobile and wall mounted, to meet the HS regulations for MIG and TIG welding. Thank you for looking.